Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about the sound of A, how to pronounce the sound A. The most basic key to the vowel system is now that each vowel letter has three or four sounds. So the first step to understanding the vowels is to learn the basics of each. For example, the sound A. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically, all about the movement to the move in their voices, so you brave your vocal short to make it the sound. Car.
Produce the A sound. Your tongue is long and at the back of your mouth. On rather refers to your lips because they are relaxed and not rounded. Articulator. To produce the sound, put your tongue long and at the back of your mouth. Then make a long voice sound with your mouth open. Example of the A sound: car, father, arm, stop, hat,
Cap, art, park, army, marketing.